XRP holders, we've got a video for you guys. Lots of bullish things are playing out here for XRP and Ripple Labs, and I want to tell you about what I think is going to be happening here. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. I am not a financial advisor. Nothing I say is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, we're going to start off here on Twitter. You can follow me at 333 Blacksea. I say XRP holders. Breaking Ripple news, okay? Over 4,000 financial institutions have announced the use of XRP by the end of 2025, okay? So even though the price has been stagnant, because yes, let's be real here, it's been very frustrating for XRP holders. It's been just chopping around for literally almost 200 days at this point. I think we're at 220 days. We'll measure it here shortly. But guys, when you look at the fundamentals, like look at all of these companies that are attaching themselves and financial institutions that are attaching themselves to Ripple tools. Like look at all of these. You have Rockefeller Foundation. You have HSBC Bank. You have CBDCs, okay? Which, whether you love them or hate them, it's getting integrated into the overall global financial world, all right? You have FedNow. You have the what is this? I don't know. FSB. I know what FSB is, but literally there's so many. There's 4,000 of them, okay, guys? And what do we have happen today? We had the big, beautiful bill was signed by Donald Trump. Inside this bill, there's a lot of things. There's a lot of things. I challenge you to go look up what's inside this bill, but I will say when it comes to crypto, there is stablecoin legislation, banking and crypto regulation, okay? We are moving towards a crypto banking world. We are moving towards where the cryptocurrency space is headed towards stablecoins, aka RLUSD, right? Ripple's stablecoin getting integrated into banks. This is what XRP was made for, guys. A bridge currency so that you can not have to wait to get paid every 2 weeks. If you get paid bi-weekly or monthly, you can get paid by the hour straight into your bank account with frictionless payments, aka XRP, all right? And you look at XRP, we've been chopping around here. We've been chopping around for a significant amount of time, and it has been very frustrating, and it's been absolutely so brutal. We've been chopping around for 215 days. That was pretty close, didn't it? I made a video yesterday. I thought it was 211, but it's close enough. But almost a year at this point, okay? 2/3 of a year, all right? If you pay attention to what's happening with XRP right now, price action only, guys, we're getting suppressed because the overarching macroeconomics of the world have been bleak for the past couple of years. Risk-on assets have been in a very tight position because the Fed has high rates. We're in quantitative tightening. It's very hard out there for risk-on assets. It's very hard out there for retail investors to want to be investing in risk-on assets like XRP. But who's buying them right now? The 4,000 financial institutions, okay? Keep that in mind. Keep that in the back of your mind now, guys. So what am I doing? I am high leverage scalping. I am longing. I am shorting. And I am trying to accumulate as much crypto as I possibly can right now through leverage trading. If you guys do want to trade as well, check out in the description box below or pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin, and there's a lot of other exchanges that you can have some great advantages with. There's tons of promotions, guys. Take advantage of them. But really, what I'm doing is I'm high leverage scalping, making money on the way up, making money on the way down, because this type of price action, we're stuck in a channel. You can't just buy and long forever because it's going to come back down. We are ping-ponging around here. I expect it to probably play out a little bit longer, but you can see that if you look at this, like it's coming. I want to try to give you a better idea of what's happening here, right? So you're coming like this, and the price action is starting to get squeezed. It's going to get squeezed to the point where there's going to be a big volume squeeze. You're going to see either a breakout to the upside where a lot of shorts get liquidated, or you're going to see a breakout to the downside where a lot of longs get liquidated. So keep that in mind. But I do think that right now we need to be patient. And I think the money to be made is in the high leverage scalping. That's what I'm doing. Back here when we dipped all the way down to $1.62, $1.65, I think I got in my position around here when we started testing back around $2.06. I opened a $200,000 XRP long position. And I got stopped on the profit right around when we broke back down below this level at $2.35. But I'm not really doing those positions right now. All I'm doing right now is in and out, hour time frame max. Like, that's really how I've been trading. But guys, take advantage of the promotions down below. Blowfin's offering a $4.2 million prize pool just based on trading volume. Take advantage of it. You look at the overall market, Bitcoin's at 108,000. We're down about 1% on the day. We came up to 110,000, guys, just the other day, and it's very strong. Like, Bitcoin is very strong, guys. Institutions are buying Bitcoin. They're also buying altcoins, but I do want to say, when it comes to XRP, I think that XRP will probably lead when we see institutions really dive in. Expect the type of price action that we saw back here, where after literally it was almost 2 years of sideways price action around 50 cents, and then we saw that massive move to the upside. But guys, it was 2 years before we saw that 500% gain. I would not be surprised to see something like that play out. Now, another 2 years, probably not, but I do expect that you're going to see sideways chop at least into the end of Q3, unless we see the Fed pivot here sooner rather than later. Now, guys, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe right now. Are you bullish on XRP? Do you think that institutions will send XRP higher? Or what's your opinion? Do you think that we're just going to be trading sideways forever? I'm going to be making profit along the way, just trying to accumulate. Guys, I always say that I'm an altcoin trader and a Bitcoin investor, so I trade the alts and I accumulate Bitcoin. I'm very curious on what you have to say about XRP and institutions, because it is very, very exciting seeing this new crypto legislation finally move forward and really see over 4,000 financial institutions integrating XRP. That's a big deal, guys. But that's all I got. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.